welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lakeisha. I go by the Fashion Sherlock on all of my social channels. If you like talks about sales, shopping, and home decor, you're in the right place. If not, you can still stay and watch this video. So today, what I decided to do is I'm going to just give you guys a little home decor haul that I did at the end of last year, beginning of this year. So we're gonna be talking specifically vases and vessels. So just gonna share a few of those things that I have gotten, why I liked it, why I didn't like it, and then I'm sprinkling in a little bit of other small home decor pieces that I have gotten as well. But the main focus here is going to be vessels and vases. So let's get into it. Let me talk about things outside of that first so we can move that out the way. The first thing that I got is, this cracked torso sculpture. All right, I'm going to leave a better photo of it to the side of me so you can see it, but I'm just holding it up here so you can get a little small view of it. So I got this item from TJ Maxx. It is by Sagebrook Home. The retail price, if you go to a lot of other sites, was about $140 to $170 range. I actually picked this up when it came back in stock last month for $59.99. So the first person that I saw with this item was actually another YouTuber. She's an interior designer called Kiva Brent. If you don't follow her, definitely recommend it. So she had it initially in this color. She did return it and get a really nice kind of like off-white cream version, which I'm kind of having my eye on, or maybe I might DIY this one and spray painted that color. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I first saw this on her channel. It looked really great. She kind of styled it on entryway, same thing that I plan to do it. I might switch out. I currently have a restoration hardware mask on my entryway, but really thinking about switching it out with this cracked sculpture. A second option, if I don't do that, is when we get our console or banquette in our dining room area, putting it there as well. A third alternative would be when we get our dresser in our master bedroom, placing it on there as a third option. So we'll see where this ends up. It might move around a few times during the year, and I'll definitely give some highlights and so show some images as I start to style it around the house. So the next item that I got, well, I didn't really get it. It was my husband. We were looking for a drink table to add into our living room. You know, a lot of times when the daughter goes to bed, we might sit around, watch movies. Sometimes the side table is a little too far. So really a small drink table is a really cute addition to add into your living room setting. There were a few on West Elm that we had our eye on, but when you went to the West Elm site, a lot of them weren't shipping until April, you know, where there's a lot of furniture delays going on right now, and my husband really didn't want to wait. So he actually picked one up from Target. I will show you an image of it. I do love the design of it. I love, if you know me already, I've said this numerous times, I love marble. So this has a marble base at the bottom. There's a marble top, and it has a really great pretty bone inlay detailing around the top of the table. Look-wise, it's amazing. Price point, it was only $79.99. However, I don't know if I could fully recommend you getting this drink table because I don't know if my husband didn't read the reviews, or maybe he did and was just like, I still like the look of it, but a lot of reviews were saying that it shakes a bit, the table, even when putting it on a flat surface or on carpet, it still shakes a bit. And I noticed when I used it, yes, this did occur. So I'm not 100% confident on recommending this item to anyone. Look-wise, yes. Function and, you know, after 3 months, will you get, you know, annoyed that it's shaking? I can't, you know, be liable for that. So for those reasons, I can't recommend it. But there are a number of small drink tables from West Elm and Crate and Barrel and Overstock that I saw have good reviews, have a great aesthetic, that I will leave links to below for you to consider. So that's the second item that came into our house over the last few months. The next item that came in was this, I guess you would call it a vase with her little tush. So this I actually got off of Brown's Fashion. And I just looked online to see if I could link it. And it looks like the price point of this actually just increased. So I got it just in time before the price increase. When I got this, it retailed for $310. And then I had a coupon code which gave me 15% off. Now, I don't believe that code is still valid. However, there are a lot of other influencers who have like 10% off coupon codes through Farfetch. And this is actually available through Farfetch. So using their codes, you get a little slight discount on it. So I know this vase was really hot before. It comes in a number of different colors. I believe it was the black, there's an orange, there's a blue, and there's also a cream color. I loved the black. I thought it'd be a little bit more of a matte finish, but it has a more of a shiny finish to it, which I'm fine with. Right now, I have it styled inside of my office. It does have a really, you know, deep hole that you can put, you know, flowers in it. You could put some branches. I think for the springtime, I'm gonna switch it up and kind of add some baby's breath into it. I think that'd be really cute. So yeah, so this is another vase that I got. It's not too heavy, which I'm very surprised. But yeah, overall, I love it, and I love the design of it, you know, kind of bringing out that feminist woman power, loving your body kind of aesthetic to it. And I have seen numerous amounts of dupes of this starting to spring up, and they are a cheaper price point. So, you know, if you don't want to splurge that 300 plus on this particular one, I will link below some others that are a little bit more reasonable. And one of them that's a little reasonable that I had bought initially before I could find this because it was always out of stock, and I wanted something cute and little in my office, kind of showing the woman's body, is one that I got from Urban Outfitters. It was actually only $14, but it is very small. So let me show it to you. This is the really cute small version of that similar vase that I got from Urban Outfitters. It was only $14. I don't actually keep this up anymore because since I've got that black one, I was like, I don't need this one. but it's super cute. So I just wanted to show it to you guys in case anyone was interested in it and wanted a smaller version to the other one that I showed. So that's that. The next two vases that I got were from H&M. So if you already know, I had those two circular white vases, the ceramic ones that I showed you in my last home decor haul. They had sold out immediately when I posted it. I know a few other influencers that posted it as well, so it immediately sold out. However, it came back into stock last month. I shared it. I didn't need any more of that, but I came across these other two vases that I was like, okay, I like these. This will be a great addition to my shelving in my living room because, you know, I'm still working on that. I kind of stopped for a bit, but I need more items to kind of style my shelves. What I got were these two vases. So this is called the stoneware vase in black. So this was the larger version. It kind of reminds me similar to that black vase that I showed you, just without kind of like the body, but you know, still kind of like that same aesthetic. This one is definitely heavier than the other vase that I got from Brown's Fashion, and it was super cheap. So this one is the large version, and it was, I believe it was $29.99. So definitely a really good size for this price point. I don't know, guys, H&M Home has really been, you know, they've been hitting it, you know, through the park. I was very surprised, but definitely recommend H&M Home, and I'm gonna be on there looking for some other things. So this is the large version of that stoneware vase. And then to complement it, there was another small version. So just so you can see the size comparison, this is the large, this is the small, and these were the only two sizes that I saw in this. This smaller one, I believe, was $17.99, but I'll leave a link to it and show an image to it in case I am saying the wrong thing. But yes, so this is a really cute one as well. I will probably put, you know, some flowers in it, depending on where I put them. If I do put them on my shelves in my living room, I think I'm gonna omit to put any kind of like flowers or arrangements in it. I'll just want to kind of like display them together, kind of like this. But yeah, definitely love these. Definitely recommend these two. If you weren't interested in the white, but are looking for something in the black family. And as I mentioned, a really good price point, really great quality. It's heavy. Yeah, I was actually surprised it came in such a good condition. I was afraid it was gonna come broken, but yeah, they packed it really well. It came quickly. Actually came quickly, but because by accident, I chose next day shipping, which I did not plan to do. I didn't need it next day, but hey, I picked it. So it came very quickly. And the last item that I want to show you is something that I've had for quite some time. It lives on my kitchen island. It's from Pottery Barn. I know a lot of people already have this jug, but it's amazing. So let me show it to you. And guys, this jug is very heavy. So this jug is from Pottery Barn. You can see it in relation to my face. It is called the Vintage Jug. If you go online, it is sold out and it's very, very heavy. This sells out numerous times. This is the largest size that it comes in. So initially when I saw this, it was on back order until February. And I saw this maybe October, November. And I was like, yeah, no, I'm not ordering something and waiting till February. So I was like, okay, I think the stores ship, which they do ship. So don't let anyone tell you that Pottery Barn does not ship. If they have the item in the store, they will ship it to you. I called a few stores, finally got one that had it in stock in Atlanta, and she refused to ship it to me. She was like, no, we don't ship. So I was like, okay, lady, fine. I got you. It's okay. I then called another location in Jersey. They had it in stock, and she was like, yes, sure, we'll definitely ship it out to you. Thank you, Jersey. Great customer service. It came packaged really, really well. I didn't have to wait those long 3 months to get it. It came in about a week. So this jug is a really great price point for the size. It's only, I believe it was like $178. But yeah, guys, it's definitely worth it. Is a statement piece. I love the color. I love the vintage effect to it. The only thing I would say is I didn't think like these speckles here would be so purple. So definitely, or it's more like a royal blue. I kind of thought it was gonna be more like, I don't know. I just feel like looking at it on the site, I was a little surprised about that portion of it. It really shows up like a purple, very deep royal blue. So, that might be off a bit. If you look at the vintage feel, there's a lot of like yellows and like hints of purple. So really be aware of that if you are going to purchase this. Also, each one is different. So what you see online might not be what you get when it's delivered. I do want to stress that. With these things that are distressed and vintage, you have to have an open mind about what you're actually going to receive. So yeah, but definitely recommend this. There is another jug on Pottery Barn. It's a black version that I like, that I see a number of people have, but I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like a lot of times I don't want to get a lot of things that a lot of people have. And so I've kind of held off on getting it, but I will leave a link to it. Let me know, do you guys think I should get it or hold off? Those are my few pieces of home decor items that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you would like to see me style them a bit. Okay, so that is it for my home decor haul for the end of last year, beginning of this year. So starting now, it's not gonna be a lot of smaller home decor hauls. What my focus is now in my home is my master bedroom and our dining room. So you're definitely gonna see some vlogging on me going to a few home decor stores, or actually not home decor stores. I'm gonna be going to more furniture stores to kind of get an idea of what's there, what I like, kind of scope out what I can see for when it actually goes on sale. So definitely stay tuned for a lot of those vlogs that will be coming up. Again, thank you for watching. Bye.